In this video, I am going to solve this system of linear equations using the elimination/addition method. In order to solve this system, we need to make sure that the system is in this format: ax plus by is equal to c. As given, these equations, this one and this one, are not in this format. So what I need to do, I need to just put it in that format. If I do so, I get this. I just add 11 to both sides in this equation. So then I get this equation and add 2 to both sides and I get the second equation. Now we look at the coefficients of x and y. Our objective here is to eliminate or get rid of one of the variables and solve for the other. So let's say we want to get rid of the y first and then we are going to solve for x. We look at the coefficients of y, which are 7 and 3. So 7 and negative 3. 7 and negative 3. The positive LCD of these two numbers is, by the way, 21. So our objective here will be to make one of the coefficients of y 21 and the other coefficient negative 21. Okay? So, and it doesn't matter which one we make positive 21, which one we make negative 21. Now what I am going to do, I am going to take this equation and multiply it by 3. Then I am going to have 21 here because 7 times 3. And take this equation here and multiply it by 7. I am going to have 7 times negative 3, negative 21. That way we will have one y coefficient 21, another y coefficient negative 21. Now if I multiply this equation by 3, what I get is the following. 3 times negative 5x is negative 15x. 3 times 7y is 21y. And 3 times 11 is 33. Now if I multiply this equation by 7, I get the following. 7 times 4x is 28x. 7 times negative 3y is negative 21y. And 7 times 2 is 14. Now look, coefficient of y is 21, coefficient of y is negative 21. Now if I add these two, what I get is this. These two are cancelling. So this is going to cancel, this is going to cancel. Negative 15x plus 28x is going to be 13x is equal to 47, because 33 plus 14 is 47. Now I divide both sides of this equation by 13. That gives me x is equal to 47 over 13. And that's what it is. Now we are going to do an exactly similar thing. However, this time instead of eliminating or getting rid of y, we are going to get rid of x. Now let's look at the coefficients of x in this system. Coefficients, first coefficient of x is negative 5, the second coefficient is 4. So LCD of negative 5 and 4, we are considering the positive number, positive LCD is going to be just 20. Now our objective is going to be to make one of the coefficients of x negative 20, another one positive 20. To do so, what I am going to do, I am going to take this equation and multiply it by 4 and take this equation and multiply it by 5. If I did that, I am going to get 4 times negative 5x is negative 20x. 4 times 7y is 28y. 4 times 11 is 44. Similarly, from this one, 5 times 4x is 20x. Look, these coefficients are positive and negative, the same value. One is 20, other one is negative 20. So when we add them, they're going to cancel out. Negative 3y times 5 is negative 15y. And 5 times 2 is 10. Okay. Now if I add them, this is going to cancel out. 28y minus 15y is going to be 13y is equal to 44 plus 10 is 54. Now I am going to divide both sides by 13 that's going to give me y is equal to 54 over 13. Okay, now I have the x and y, and I have just solved this system of linear equations. So my x comma y is actually 47 over 13 comma 54 over 13. Now what does this mean graphically? What it means is this: you have two straight lines. This is a sketch, so please keep in mind it's not accurate. So something like this, I'm just making it up. So we are in essence finding this point of intersection. That means this point has the following coordinates. So the coordinates of this point is this. That's what it means. Whenever you are finding the solution for a system of linear equations, you are in essence finding the point of intersection. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.